guys, this is Ben with PAVE Tech. Today we're going to talk about SHIMz. These are SHIMz. They come 10 per sheet. You can snap them off. Biggest thing about our SHIMz is they're 4 times stronger than wood. They have a superior alignment and support. They snap clean at the pre-scored lines. They're weatherproof polymer. They won't shrink, warp, rot, or split, and they never become brittle, and they resist UV damage. So what can you use our SHIMz with? So the recommended use with our SHIMz are pavers, retaining walls, but you can also use them for caps, doors, windows, cabinets, masonry, plumbing fixtures, outdoor architecture, pressure-treated lumber. So let's stop just settling for just using anything out there on the job site. You know what I'm talking about, guys. So I'm talking about pieces of shingles, loose aggregate, some loose change you got in your pocket. Wood shims, wet, dry, you know, get the job done right. Use our SHIMz. They're perfect. Pound them in. Got my level, I'm looking good there. When I'm ready, snap it off. It's clean, looks good. I'm doing the job right. So get your SHIMz today. You can get 10 SHIMz per sheet. You can get 36 per box. You can find those at pavetech.com. Give us a call, find a local dealer near you, and get the job done right. Thanks for your time. Have a good day.